In for the doors, just starting off with a little bit of short strand fiberglass. I like to put that in over the weld seams. And again, it pretty much all comes off, but it fills any potential pinholes. I'm starting with a rasp or a cheese grate just to knock some of the highs off. And then I'm gonna go over it with an 80 grit. And then do some other light filler like I did over here. Also started working on that rear tailgate. Hours today. That guy. And started on this one. Decided to stick on this nice California rear upper hatch and then this lower that I've been working on. Just want to check out the lines. Everything looks pretty sweet from what I can tell. Still been working on the doors. Whoa, that's bright. Got some guide coat still on there. Work on the bottom. I'm trying to tackle a little bit of this now. Block sand.
good to be true.
All right, doors back on, all four. Back end on. Do final touch-ups. Still got to sand that down a little bit more, and then I want to get another layer of epoxy back on. All wrapped up for the day. I even started on this side. Got the rough stuff knocked off, and I hit it with some guide coat. And that'll be next time, I guess.